People wey dey scam people for social media, when they scam our girls, you go say in the America, I want marry them. It don't reach my whole family house. They say nothing wey Musa no go see for gate. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this matter, this one can't be saying at my own house. My own sister, our last born. Now in this scam boy say one can see scam. My darling people, if una be people wey be say una dey watch social media, una go don see say this guy matter, they don't bring and come out well. Wey be say e go dey lie to our girls, saying they America, in the London, in the work for inside sea, in get money, they always dey do am. Before this boy come finally reach my own family house. This boy, I don't listen to like many live video where be say this boy does scam people anyhow, not be small. And you can say that my own house, my own sister. Where be say she just see day school, they manage herself. And this boy say no. Now he say now there I can see no door. Hey, you come pay me say now the wrong place now you enter. Before you start to dey watch this video, I beg make you subscribe and make you share the video. Share and then listen from the start to the ending, because voice record day when I go play for now. My correct people, this matter, this one shockalize me. It shocked me. Our boys. Mona Biko, all those Igbo guys them. If you don't get work, go and look for work. Well, you just say now to come they scam people, now you want come they do for social media. Who does that? And you come be saying that my own sister, and then you come say you want come knock door. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? My people, this boy, you come they toast my sister. Oh. My sister now come they feel saying those better person. My man of the come they happy Americana. One come marry their pikin. Americana they come begin they happy. When my sister tell me, I say this boy, I don't trust him. All those come in America, most of them dey. And as they did that America, they Nigeria, but then they use American number. They can't lie to you say that they America. I can't tell our last born like that. Our last born can say even he not still trust the boy, because they don't first do it to one of her friends. You understand? I can't say tell him me call you for video call. You can't say the boy they call him for video. I can't say but the guy the way they do am o, you feel say na video call, say na real, it will be fake. I forgot to tell him say make screenshot am for video call. The boy come begin to talk to am. He come dey preach love. Mama can't like him, papa can't like him, Americana. Nobody want make pikin marry for poor hobo. Mama can't like him. So I can't tell mama say this boy I not trust him. I can't tell our mama. Mama say no, the boy they good though. He not believe say the boy na scam. I say you sure? This boy na scam oh. Very soon now, he will give you number to him mama. Our last one say they will give him mama number. Oh. Him mama don't even they call him. Now say I bet they record any conversation, anything word and they talk. My sister can't say okay. Come begin the record. I consider that same woman voice where they use Mona listen. That voice when they always they use. Most of them will go don't watch social media. When I go don't see them. Now the voice, that same voice, that woman they always they use. My darling people. Now you can't really record them. Mona first listen to the voice first.
I want to say yesterday, but yeah, I your phone off. I don't father. I talk with your mama. Okay, you don't call her. I don't talk with her. Okay, mommy.
He say he talk to mama.
Okay, ma. Ma? Okay, no, I did upstairs.
He don't even call my sister in-law. He don't call my mama in-law already. they never marry my sister. Or you don't even they call her me picking wife. Now so the woman they do am. Whereas na lie oh. Now man they talk so.
Now we don't really want to make it when we close. I go talk with her. Okay, mom. I want book mark for you.
In the good morning mass.
In my channel, you go send me your full name. Send down here. So that this model will copy out for me. I want book mark for that for my bed. Okay, no problem. So I'm now we don't want to make it.
He said, when my sister send a name and the picture, make it a real name, make it they pray for her for church. Say she dey inside car, she dey go somewhere now. I want to tell my sister who when I listening to the next call my sister can receive. Before this call, I don't already tell my sister and say, this man, this woman, very soon I'll tell you say don't get accident. It never just reach 5 minutes when I just talk and I saw this call just take on. When I listen.
Yes, call me back. We are in the hospital now.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me call his son first.
You say what?
I'm coming. I want to call.
Wait.
Right. Oh my God. Hello, madam.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Please, the owner of this for the accident here in Abuja, madam. Can you hear me?
Yes.
I'm speaking with a police officer. We are patrolling from mother. We saw we are gathered and we thought that it's an armed robber approaching them, but when we got there, we saw that it's an accident. And the old woman is injured herself very seriously, and even the driver is already dead. It's only the little baby that is still talking, but she's unconscious as well. So we are locating the nearest hospital now, so that the doctor will start attending to the patient. Okay. Where are you, madam? Are you here in Abuja?
No.
Oh my God. Where are you, madam? Huh? Oh my.
Una dey see say the man wey call now say na police officer say accident don happen o. Now my sister the number they come see now what they want call. Una dey hear because the video go too long. I no go fit play.
Okay, madam, you know what? You have to call us in minutes after 5 or 10 minutes time so that we give you the details of the accident. But then we'll be in the hospital, okay? Because you saw the number as the last time call. That is why they are calling the number.
Mm-hmm.
And the number is the third number. Madam.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yes, call me back. We are in the hospital now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me call his son first.
Mm-hmm.
You say what?
I'm coming. I want to call his son.
Now my sister dey talk so.
Now let's discuss with talking to us first before you know what to tell the son as well. We are calling the man as well, but nobody is speaking to the call.
That's
call me back. The woman is having low credit on her phone.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay. No problem.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Now the boy they talk now.
Anybody you can help me get in touch in Abuja. They say they will not sell without money.
Mm-hmm.
The police just come her there and there. They say they need money, they need to buy blood, they don't have our blood group. I will send you a picture now they just sent to me. Please.
That is the boy. Oh.
Even a driver died
And
at the spot.
the scammer now they talk now. The scammer then they talk now say they don't already he said the whether my papa go see where borrow money. Whether my papa go see where borrow money, may can't give him, may go give him mama. Say because as him mama now, they say if they don't see money, they don't go treat him mama because in they say see now.
At the spot, I don't really know what to do. I cannot do on that transfer here I am now. At this night, I am at work. It's the midnight here, sir. Please, if you can help me in the morning, I'll pay back. Whatever it is, I'll pay back with interest, sir. Please. I understand your point now, and the way you did talk.
He say, make my papa go borrow money. If you borrow money, you go come give mama, make dem take care of mama for hospital. Person wey you never see face to face, so now you want borrow money, say go take care of. My darling people, why I dey do this topic today be say, make una dey use una sense. If anybody call una for Americana, say one date una, una use una brain o. Na scammer na dem be, dem not dey America. This boy dey Nigeria there. Na only one dey do that police officer. Na only one dey do that mama. Nobody dey hospital. He even send pictures. I go put the picture for Sunday. Picture when he send, when they say mama dey hospital, so that my sister go really believe. Hey, this people picture wey first send to my sister before. Wait, tell my sister say na mama. Then the same picture, they can't go do a photo shoot. Go put person head for the accident. Accident wey don say when they happen. If you need picture for Google, you tell Google say, I need picture for accident. They'll give you fast. My darling people, and the matter where they grand be this one. I will come give you an update how the matter can go. So more than share this video, please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral, because what can they happen these days? Only God. Now go help us. If not, we say we know now.